Hello everyone. Talking about myself, I would say that I live in a small family with 4 people. They are my wife, my daughter, my son, and me. My wife is a pharmacist and a good chef. If you come to our house, she will make some special dish for you. And my daughter is 12 years old, who study at Nguyen Trai Junior High School. And my son is 3 years old. He an intelligent boy who is on for me. I graduated from the University of Medicine and Pharmacy at Ho Chi Minh City, maturing in the pharmacist. Now, I am a lecturer at Nam Can Tho University. I grew up in Vinh Long city, where my family lives. Although my parents are farmers, they care about my learning very much. My wife and I are really into traveling. We think that can bring many benefits, such as degree guests, improve soft skills, and widen knowledge. In Vietnam, we have been to a lot of provinces. The farthest place is in Lai Chau town. Last year, we went to Da Nang by motorbike. We have a game that I going to go throughout Vietnam by motorbike. Besides sport are my favorites. I can play tennis, badminton, and volleyball. I think I am a kind of activity person. I know that I can drink about 10 bottles of beer, but it's not frequently because it is to my mood and drink with food. Thank you for watching.